Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today's topic is about one of the most sensitive areas in our digital world, the secure transmission of financial data, and how fiber optic cabling makes it possible. Banks, trading firms, and financial institutions process millions of transactions every day. Each transfer, whether it's a customer payment or a stock trade, requires absolute speed, reliability, and security. Any interruption or data breach can cost millions and damage public trust. This is why the financial sector increasingly depends on fiber optic cabling. Unlike copper, which transmits electrical signals that can be tapped or intercepted, fiber transmits data as pulses of light. Any attempt to physically tap into a fiber optic line causes noticeable disruptions, making unauthorized access far more difficult and easier to detect. Beyond security, fiber provides ultra-low latency and high bandwidth, a critical advantage for financial markets where even milliseconds can make or break a transaction. Fiber's resistance to electromagnetic interference also ensures that sensitive data travels without distortion, even in dense urban environments filled with electronic noise. For financial institutions, fiber optic cabling is more than just a network upgrade, it's a trust guarantee. It ensures that transactions remain private, customer data stays protected, and services run seamlessly around the clock. At Comm Systems, we design and install certified fiber optic networks that give financial institutions the speed, reliability, and security they need to protect their most valuable asset, data. Thank you for watching the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.